This morning I'm gonna make a disappearing 9-patch block. I hope everybody's doing okay this morning. I've got all of them pieced together. Some of the 1/4 inch seam. I'm gonna go press this out. And I will bring you back. All right, then I'm gonna cut this halfway this way and this way. Let me get my scissors. It didn't hardly. I guess I wasn't pressing hard. All right. I am going to turn this away. And this way. And then I'm going to sew these two together. And I will bring you back. All right, I got it sewed together. And I am going to press out the seams here. All right. Now I'm going to make, I've got this solid color and I'm going to make all of them this block and when I get back, when I get them all made, I'll bring it back. Well, I'm going to download this one today, or download it and let you see the block, and then I'll bring it back when I'm getting it quilted. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. I'll show you. Yeah, it's going to be so pretty. That's the color magenta.